careful! Watch out for poison oak when you put your swimsuits on!
You'll be fine. Hey, wait up!
A man who stares at a rock must have a lot on his mind. Or nothing.
Well, these old rocks here give us some idea of when this area was last active.
Yeah? When was that?
About 7,000 years ago. Does it smell? Beautiful.
Take it easy now, okay?
You don't touch it. Ruffy, no. Stop.
What? What is it?
We found 2 dead squirrels, Mom.
That's what this fuss was all about?
Don't touch them. Must be some sort of squirrel epidemic. God, they're dropping like that all over the mountain. Come on, let's go.
Phew, it stinks. I don't know if I want to go in. It smells like your room. You go in there. Hey, Grandma. Somebody left their clothes here.
Sometimes couples sneak up here for a hot dip. And some hot nookie. Ruth, for God's sake.
Lauren, move. Lauren, get out of the way. Watch me, Mom.
Hey, no! No, stop. No.
Oh, Paul. Paul, I think we should monitor the entire area. Get the whole shooting match in here. I don't know. But the acidity in the lake is high enough to bother me, and there's enough carbon dioxide coming out of the soil to start killing trees and wildlife. And Paul, you sent me up here to check. I'm doing that. I think attention should be paid. All right. I'll call you.
You guys okay?
Yeah. Bye, Mom.
I love you.
Love you, Mom.
I don't think I'll be too late, Ruth.
Bye.
Bye.
You okay?
Yeah.
Any idea who they were?
No, never seen them before. Backpackers, maybe. What's going on here, Harry?
I don't know.
How big of a problem do you think we have?
Well, it's too early to tell yet. But I think you should call a city council meeting.